All right, we'll take a look at getting some measurements from this case for slide-in tabs. And we'll also look at a couple of different case designs for what features of the case could impact how we design the key guard. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we're holding the case in landscape mode rather than portrait mode, so that width and height have a specific meaning. And what we're looking at is, what is the width of this case? We just put a ruler up against one side, measure the distance to this other side over here. And cases can be a little bit flexed out or flexed in. So take a couple of measurements just to make sure you've got a representative number. And I'll get a close-up of this for better reference. So that's one of the measurements we want to take, is how far does the case open, and in a lengthwise manner. And then another one we'll take is from bottom to top. What is the, straighten out, what is the value up here? Write those down. And since the tabs will slide underneath the edge of the case, what we're going to do is we're going to want to measure how far that distance is. Let's take one of our favorite business cards here and slide it in underneath the edge, and just make a mark at the edge of the case. Pull it out and take a measurement here. Looks like it goes in about 6 millimeters or so, but we're going to make it a lot shorter than that because we don't need to be that deep. But at least we know we have up to 6 millimeters to work with. Last thing to do is take a look at how they supported the camera and the home button. Home button's a little hard to see here, but you can see there's plenty of room around the home button and plenty of room around the camera that we can expose these or not expose them. We have our choice. We'll take a look at another case here. What you see is they've put a little tab as part of the design of the case right where the home button is. So our key guard will have to accommodate this shape. And the easiest way to accommodate this shape is just to cut out for a home button. We'll have that option. The other thing you could do here is just trim it, trim the little tab, and then you wouldn't have to expose the home button, though there would be a piece here that someone could press on. Anyway, consider those items when designing the case. But this is the one we'll test on later.